Good morning, students. In last modules, we had discussed so many things about the chapter 2 of economics, like sectors of Indian economy, classify the Indian economic activities on the different bases, on the basis of ownership, public and private sector, on the basis of you can say employment, unorganized and organized sector. Now in this, we are going to discuss about the employment. First of all, you should know what is employment and what is unemployment. Employment means when a person is having a job, and unemployment means when a person is not having a job, even if he is ready to do the work on wages, recommended wages. Now the workers, they are exploited in the unorganized sector. This unorganized sector not provide them job security, PF facilities, gratuity, health, insurance, and so many other facilities. So they are exploited in this sector. Then how we can control that exploitation? How the government can protect the unorganized sector workers? First of all, by making the laws such as Factory Act. Factory Act can be made by the government as a law. Minimum wages can be fixed, that if a worker is doing work in factory, he should get minimum wages. PF facility, gratuity, that can be made compulsory by the government in our unorganized sector. Guarantee of job can be provided, and timing of the work, fixed timing, means working hours should be fixed in unorganized sector. By following these rules and regulation, we can save the unorganized sector workers from exploitation of the factory owners. Now, unemployment is when a person is willing to work of the prevailing wages, means the wages which we are getting, he is ready, either they are less, even then he is ready to do the work, but not finding even any job, then it is called unemployment. How to create more employment? More employment can be created by different ways and in different areas. The very first important step by which employment can be created by the government, that is taken as NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Under this act, in every rural household, 100 days employment will be provided by the government. If government fail to give employment within 15 days, it will give daily unemployment allowance, and if they will not get the work, then they can complain to the government and the problem can be solved. So this provision has made by the government to provide the more employment to the people.